Welcome to Reframe Your Biz with Jill Bunny and Kristen Crowley, two women in wellness and fitness here to help entrepreneurs save thousands with tips and tricks on social media, PR, and more. We help you reframe your biz and grow your brand. Make sure you sign up for our membership and get ready to reframe. What's up, YouTube fam? Kristen and Jill here. It is On with J&K, and we are helping you build your brand and reframe your biz. And we wanted to let you know about something that Jill has really been working on and busting her butt to figure out for helping every entrepreneur out there. And this is something a lot of people do not have set up, and it is totally killing your business online. So what is it?
Absolutely free to do, which I will also admit. Where do you go when you have a question? You go to Google. What do you want to do when you get your clients? You want them to Google you. And how are they going to find you? They need to know where you're located. So whether or not you actually own a studio or you own a location, you can use a postal box or you can use your home address or the gym. But that allows you and Google to have a nice relationship and be seen online. So if you go to Google, go to My Business and set up an account. Super easy, put in the location, and it'll take 10 days for Google to send you a postcard to verify that that is actually your address. You put that little PIN number in, and then you basically have access to Google, and your clients can reach out, put in reviews. It's absolutely a game changer. And if you have this, and in your local area, other coaches don't, you will rank higher, which means you are going to get clients, and it costs you $0.
So everybody loves that free 99. It is the best price ever. So there are three things that this does give you, and that's going to be your reviews, your testimonials, and your professionalism. So we want it for the reviews, right? This is why we want to have a Google My Business.
It's a huge thing. So we know on websites, people write reviews. Are they real or not? I have no idea. But by Google, you have to have an email. So your clients, your friends, or your family, get them to put reviews. You can screenshot them. You can put them in your Instagram. You can put them in your website. But they are verified, which means that you have an authority over a lot of other testimonials that are out there.
Yeah, and then when you get all those reviews, all you do is screenshot them, use them in your website, use them in your social media to just continue to create that trust with your community. But that is the number one free thing you're probably missing is you're living on social media, Instagram and Facebook, but you are missing millions and millions of people who are actually ready to buy and search on Google. And that is a huge mistake we've seen so many of our entrepreneurs do.
That's the biggest thing. And I just ask yourself, if you're wanting to buy a bike or you want to have a new coach, do you go on Instagram looking for the best coach? You Google it. So make sure you are set up on Google and you will be off to a great start with your business. Whereas a lot of other people will be stuck on social media trying to DM where you're ahead of the game and not putting in the work because Google's doing it for you.
Yeah, and it works for you 24/7. So it's like having your own virtual assistant that you do not have to pay a dime for. So we hope you found this tip helpful to help build your biz and grow your brand. Make sure you like and subscribe to these videos. We will be doing tons of free information to help you reframe your biz. So don't remember, it's On with J&K. So let us know what you want to hear about. Just post it in the comments below. We hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and join our monthly membership to reframe your biz.